Hey everybody, it's Shannon here, Art Junkie. Today I'm here to do Teatuesday. Got my coffee. So this week I'm just getting over COVID. First time I've had COVID. My mom is 94 and she's in a long-term care home, and I visited her and she was sick. She'd just gotten sick and they tested her the day before and she had tested negative. But that night she started having problems with her breathing and stuff. So I tested her again. She tested positive. So they gave her some medicine, this new medicine, and she was better like that. The very next day, Monday, she was better. So that was Monday, and Friday I started coming down with COVID. So I've been sleeping, lots of sleeping going on, and taking Tylenol for my headache. That's terrible. Overall, I'm alive. It's no big deal. Wasn't that hard. I'm a little concerned. I still don't want to get long COVID. That's something I do not want to get. I do not want to have a headache permanently. I still have a headache today. And I'm still sleeping. So we'll see what's going on. Anyways, let's move on in life. The word for the day is kindness. That's a good word. Be kind to each other. Let's be kind to each other today. Let's read our meditation for the day, will we? What is the day today? March 28th. Ooh, next month I turn 57. 57. Wow, I'm getting old. Yeah, next month I turn 57 on the 18th of April. March 28th. Discover new beliefs. The drive from Zion National Park to Bryce Canyon in Utah was a short one. I've traveled the same route several times. At a certain pass, no matter how sunny the day, the cloudless the sky, it is raining there every time. Although it was hard to see, a small dark cloud seemed to hang over this one particular place, this one area of the road, all the time. It may be like that in a particular area of our lives. A certain belief seems almost stuck to us, stuck to one area of our lives, and no matter how sunny the rest of the drive, it's raining there all the time. What clouds is hanging over you? Could it be one that you're holding on to create? Some beliefs, my choices are wrong, I make bad decisions, I'm wrong, can create a dark heaviness that hangs over us like a cloud. These beliefs may be so subtle we don't even notice them. What we do notice is a lingering pain or anxiety, a cloud that seems to follow us around. What we don't see is that we're helping create and maintain our own cloud with these beliefs. The lesson may not be to make better decisions or to be a better person. The lesson may be much simpler. Change your beliefs. Make some new decisions. Let yourself discover some new, better, sunnier beliefs about yourself and your life. Allow yourself to believe that the decisions you make are just fine. Who you are today is okay. You always have been okay. And you always will be okay. So there we are. In terms of art, what's my plan? I don't have any plans to do any art today. Like I said, I have a headache still battling COVID. I'm going to be doing another basket soon. I've got that all geared up, ready to go. And as soon as I'm starting to feel better, I will do that. I'm watching a show on Netflix right now. That's my plan for the day. Watch Netflix and relax. And if I need to go to sleep, go to sleep. If I need some Tylenol for my headache, get some Tylenol. And right now, I need some Tylenol. So I'm going to say, take care, guys, and we'll see you on the flip side. Bye-bye.